My name is Marc Tompkins, and I am an associate professor in the Department of Orthopedic Surgery. I'm a sports medicine orthopedic surgeon. I've been very fortunate in my career to be involved in a lot of innovation and device development. In particular, as it pertains to education, I have been fortunate to be involved in projects utilizing augmented reality and virtual reality to help with education of colleagues and trainees. Using augmented reality, we've been able to do surgery remotely such that people who wish to observe my surgeries or my colleagues' surgeries can join from anywhere literally on the globe. And vice versa is true. We've also been able to proctor surgeries for surgeons who are less experienced, utilizing the remote surgery technology and specifically the augmented reality to help guide the surgeons through surgery. Using virtual reality, we've been able to create modules for our trainees such that they can work through the steps of a surgery and perhaps at some point even the tactile feedback of a surgery prior to actually entering the operating room and performing that surgery. In terms of clinical care, we've also been able to utilize virtual reality to help my patients. And as a sports medicine surgeon, those patients are athletes who are trying to return to sports. Using virtual reality, we've been able to create on-field or on-court environments so that patients can experience that environment during the rehab process without putting themselves actually in that physical environment and therefore putting themselves at risk of injury. I have also been fortunate to work with inertial measurement units or wearable monitors that patients can use to provide real-time data both for them as well as healthcare providers such as physical therapists and physicians to understand what the patients are doing and how the progress is going in real time during their rehabilitation process. I have also been fortunate enough to work on smart clothing with my colleagues in the fashion department, where utilizing the clothing we potentially can pick up on abnormal movements and even potentially help to augment or prevent the abnormal movements. I have also been fortunate to be involved in a number of device development projects, and one that I will highlight is work on a meniscus repair device, which is something that I do on most days I'm in the operating room, being a meniscus repair. We have lots of ways that we can improve upon that, and we are working on that here. Many of these projects have been in collaboration with the Institute for Engineering and Medicine and the Bakken Medical Devices Center, and I'm very grateful for that collaboration.